Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to present Canva slides offline. This feature is extremely useful if you're presenting in places where the Wi-Fi is unstable, such as classrooms, conference rooms, or events. So here I am in my Canva account, and then in order to present Canva slides offline, you can do a bunch of ways. One way is that you can download it as a PDF or download it as a PowerPoint presentation. Downloading your file gives you a backup version you can keep on your computer or USB drive, which is great for travel or last-minute presentations. So we can click on More Actions right here, which is the three dots. Click on Download, and then choose whatever format that you want to download it. So for example, I want to download it as a PowerPoint document. Click on Download, and then we'll wait for it to finish, and then it will be displayed right here, and then we can open it offline using our PowerPoint application. So we can enable editing, then we can present it as normal. This method works well if you're used to Microsoft PowerPoint and prefer to present using your desktop software. But if you will do this, there will be some animations or text that will be different from the Canva version and from the PowerPoint version. So that is a downside if you will download your Canva presentation into your local desktop. But another way that we can do it is that we can click on the three dots again and then click on Enable Offline Presenting. This is Canva's built-in offline mode, and it keeps your animations, fonts, transitions, and layouts exactly the way they appear inside Canva. That way, whenever we don't have Wi-Fi or we don't have internet, we can still access our Canva slide right here in Canva. So, for example, if I will turn my Wi-Fi off, and then this page will be updated, and then we have our offline presentations right here in Canva. Canva automatically saves offline copies of the presentations you enable, so you don't need to manually re-download anything. So we can click on this, and then we can still present it as normal, along with all of the animations that is included in our Canva presentation. As you can see, it still has all of my animations right here, and it has the proper font style and font size. This makes the offline mode the best choice for anyone who relies heavily on custom fonts, smooth transitions, or interactive slide elements. Then I can go ahead and present my final presentation normally, as it would be like I have an internet connection. And then that's it. That is how you can present Canva slides offline. And then if you want to turn it off, so for example, I'll turn my Wi-Fi back on, and then you can just go ahead and disable offline presenting if you don't want to use it anymore offline. Turning it off helps free up storage if you have limited space on your device. And then that's it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like, subscribe, and check out my other Canva videos for more practical tips and tutorials.